Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition. So first, what you guys want to do is check the cable and a charger brick for damage or compatibility with the device. I would recommend using the original cable and a charger because it may not work especially good with the third-party cables or basically charging bricks. So what you guys can do is clean the charging port right here to improve the connection. So maybe the dust here is blocking the connection, and that sometimes happens. It's normal. You just need to clean it up with a soft brush or an air compressor, even though I recommend the soft brush more because it does the job better. Now let's unlock the phone and go over to the settings, because the reason you may not have the fast charging is because you did not enable it. So go to the battery in the settings. Now you need to swipe down until you see charging settings and make sure to enable smart rapid charging. This way your device will have fast charging enabled and it will work. So what you guys can do next is test another fast charger or an outlet if you do not have the original one and see if that works. But if you do have the original one, you enabled the fast charging and there's still some issues, you can update your software to fix any charging glitches. So go back to the settings and swipe all the way down until you see system and update. Here click software update, and as you guys can see, it will check for updates automatically. So my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.